Okay, now you have to check any color is joining or no. And the maximum colors you can keep the maximum colors opposite. Three colors. Three colors are there, three oranges, three reds. That colors you have to keep opposite. So it will happen fast. Three blues are there, I can see. So that you have to keep opposite. Left up. Okay, now any color is joining. Keep the maximum colors opposite and then do. Previous color will 100% join, then yellow up, previous color opposite, and the same. It's scrambled. Great. Okay. Now you can do pyramids.
Where is that?
Every day just practice once.